Now moving on to the world of automobiles, well, it's finally active again. After being inactive during all these months of lockdown, there's a lot happening. And the thing that is stealing on the limelight right now is the fact that MG has come out with the Hector Plus. Now, I know there is a Hector that exists already, so what is the plus in the name all about? Well, Arjit is breaking that down for you up next.
It's not easy for any car maker to enter India and create a brand name for themselves. Now MG Motors not only entered India in 2019 but successfully penetrated the premium SUV market with the 5-seater Hector SUV. And now they want to carry forward this legacy by adding another row of seating, and this time they are calling this car the Hector Plus. MG's decision to enter India with a fully loaded 5-seater SUV yielded favorable response for the brand. India is a country largely obsessed with big-looking affordable SUVs, something the Hector has cashed on. The large body with appealing looks is retained in the Hector Plus as well. There's a new headlamp design, a new grille without the chrome enclosure, a new bumper design with new set of fog lamps, and even a revised skid plate. The side profiles also remains the same. However, the SUV is now longer by few centimeters to adjust an additional row of seating. The rest of the dimensions remain the same. The back now has new bumper design, new tail light design, and revised skid plates as well. Design changes apart, the Hector Plus also gets a new shade called the Starry Sky Blue, which has to be my favorite in the spectrum. While the exteriors get minor changes, it is the cabin for which the Hector Plus was born. The biggest highlight in addition to the third row bench type seating are the middle row captain seats, making Hector Plus a 6-seater model as opposed to the 5-seater Hector. MG has also changed the theme inside the cabin, which now gets a smoked sepia brown leather upholstery as against all black Hector. The captain seats and new brown shade makes the Hector Plus more appealing and plush. The rest of the layout remains the same with all the bells and whistles, making the Hector Plus one of the most feature-packed technologically advanced SUV under Rs 20 lakhs in India. Just to give you an idea, the Hector Plus gets voice commands, and here's something I performed in the Hector during our media drive last year. The highlight of the MG Hector is definitely this large touchscreen infotainment system here that not only looks good but acts functional also. You can actually control more than 100 functions using voice command. Let me show you a couple of them.
I'm listening.
Open the sunroof. There you go. Let me show you another.
Yes.
Set temperature to 27 degrees.
Temperature is set to 27 degrees Celsius.
Not just the voice commands, the updated system also gets a chit-chat function. The vertically stacked 10.4-inch infotainment system is a piece of art in itself. Then there are features like smart tailgate, electronically adjustable front seat, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting, 360 view camera, and more. As for the powertrain options, the MG Hector Plus, like the MG Hector, will continue to be powered by 3 engine options: 1.5-litre petrol and petrol hybrid, and a 2-litre diesel engine. The output too remains the same at 143 PS and 250 Nm for the petrol engines, and 170 PS and 350 Nm for the diesel engine. While the petrol motor gets a DCT and a manual gearbox, the diesel only has a 6-speed manual unit. We haven't driven the new Hector Plus as of now, but given our previous experience with the Hector having the same engines, our impression is likely to remain the same. In terms of safety, the MG Hector gets a host of virtual safety features like a dedicated call center for emergency assistance, which the MG calls a Pulse Hub, geofence, and more. Physical safety features include an electronic stability program, hill hold control, 6 airbags, TCS, and ABS with EBD.
The MG Hector Plus, at least on paper, seems like a dream package for anyone looking for a premium 6-seater SUV under Rs 20 lakh. But is it any good to drive? Well, given our previous experience with the Hector, we are pretty confident that this car would be a very good value for money package.